right, family, so we are here at Tri-Pointe Homes, located in the beautiful master plan community of Seinna in Missouri City. How far is Missouri City from Houston?
From downtown, about 30-35 minutes.
Okay, so the city is about 30-35 minutes from Houston. Oh yeah, so you can see they're out here painting the model homes, adding some finishing touches on there. So let's go inside, check out Tri-Pointe. Okay guys, so we are here touring Tri-Pointe. They used to be called Trendmaker Homes.
Yes.
But now they're going by the name of Tri-Pointe.
Yeah.
And we're touring their beautiful model. Again,
the Verona.
Seinna. This is called the Verona floor plan. And how many bedrooms are we looking at, Damien?
I'm going to go to my little cheat sheet, guys. 5.
5 bedrooms.
Yes.
Okay.
4.5 baths.
4.5 baths.
Yep. With a 3-car garage.
And what's the square footage on this home?
Almost 5,200 square feet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, so this is a 90 foot lot.
Yeah.
This is the first bedroom. It's located right at the front of the house. And it just has your full standard tub and shower. So they just stuck with the subway tile. They kept it simple. They kept it pretty simple.
Yeah.
Closet.
Yeah. Decent size closet.
Okay. Yeah, you can walk in.
Walk in. Yeah, you can walk in.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I like
mom-in-law en suite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Preferably because it's on the first floor.
Right.
That's ideal.
Right. Yeah. Just in case your mom got bad
Don't
knees
put your
or something.
mom on the second floor.
Yeah. She might got bad knees or something.
Right. And we love this formal dining room area here. I love how it's curved.
Definitely different.
And it's open. You have the wine wall set up here. You have plenty of space. Yes.
Very
spacious. Nice.
I mean, so you gotta get around formal table if you get this.
Well, the shape, because of the shape of the room. A round table is most ideal for this kind of setup.
It's nice.
But I mean, you could technically maybe do like a long rectangular table, but it would have to. I guess you'd have to turn it this way. Yeah, it'd have to be. Yeah, it'd have to come this way.
Yeah. It's nice though.
But the round table looks nice. That looks better.
And we got a hidden surprise for you guys too.
Oh yeah, wait till you see this feature. You probably have never heard
seen
of it before. But of course, you have your walk-in pantry, plenty of open shelving. We love the kitchen. So Tri-Pointe, you can tell they're a traditional style builder. You'll see the crown molding on the cabinetry. Check this out. They have the Sub-Zero style fridge.
Nice big island.
Gourmet kitchen. Oh yes, huge island.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like that backsplash too.
Nice.
Nice backsplash. Nice accent. Yeah.
Yes. That's very pretty.
Yeah.
The stainless steel range. I like that better than the cabinet one. Now, this is an upgrade.
Oh, for sure.
Because normally it's just a cabinet there. Yeah.
Absolutely.
But even the appliances are top notch. Check that out. Yeah, that's not builder grade. Engineered wood. We have the breakfast nook located over here. This is a big breakfast nook.
Yeah.
That's
a lot of space. Yeah. Like it.
All right, and I'm loving the living room area over here. I like the fireplace, even though we don't use them.
Yeah, not here in Texas.
Not in Texas.
Yeah, we don't. Yeah, we do no fireplaces in Texas.
Yeah,
man.
I like that.
Yeah, we do no fireplaces in Texas, man. Check out the room. Check out the primary.
Yes.
They used to call it masters. They don't call it masters.
I still call it masters.
I like masters. I don't know the whole.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not that politically
What's
correct.
The whole history behind that?
I don't know. It's like some political correct.
Really?
I look.
Okay.
It is what it is. But You can call it primary. I'm gonna call it master.
Right, right.
Cause
Not your
yeah,
master.
yeah. We're gonna do it like that. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm more comfortable with the masters because I am a master.
It's a nice size.
It is
right?
a very
You're a
nice size.
master,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
like the
Very
accent
nice
wall.
size. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
But you could tell they're very traditional, like even their style
absolutely.
of decorating. Yeah, not too much.
Yeah,
Very
absolutely.
minimalist.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But again,
Primary,
give you space.
primary
Nice
master
view of the
bath.
yard. Oh yes, let's check that out. Okay. Yes.
Nice size shower too, and you can get in from both ends. I like
And they
that.
had the dual shower heads. So
Yeah.
you see that a lot too
Yeah.
in these higher end homes. Dual shower
Absolutely.
heads, freestanding tub still
Nice
trim.
size tub. I'm
Yes.
not getting in this one though. I'm
Why
not getting in
not?
this tub.
Why?
Cause I got that last one.
Not the last one. I think the last one was bigger.
Yeah, the last
than
one was
this
bigger
one.
for sure.
Okay.
Now, this is a
Okay,
big.
so how about this closet?
Yeah.
Okay,
This is
so
one of the
and
bigger
it's separate.
closets for
Okay,
sure.
so this is they have the his and hers deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, and then of
Plenty
course,
of
again,
shelving. Yeah, so
discriminating against the men and giving the woman a bigger closet.
how do you know this isn't the his closet?
This is a her closet.
This is a
for
her
sure.
closet.
Look, they're gonna give us a cubby hole over here.
Check out the other side.
They're gonna have a cubby hole over here. Shout out to all the men that dress it like me.
Maybe not. We usually shout out to the dressers.
Yeah, shout out to the guy who care about fashion,
well,
looking fly.
No, it's about the same.
It's not bad.
I think.
Yeah,
It's
that's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a smidge
It's
bigger.
equal.
Not a smidge bigger.
You think so?
Yeah, a smidge. Yeah.
Well, the configuration is a little bit different.
Yeah. No, it's a nice size though. I can work with this.
I think there was more shelving in the hers.
Yeah, I can work with this though.
Okay. Yeah, this is doable.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Like I don't know. It's like my man protection instincts or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does it slide all the way open?
Let me see.
It should. It doesn't? Or maybe it opens on this side too. Oh no. It doesn't slide all the way down? No? Okay. That's interesting.
Yeah. It's nice though.
Yeah.
Let me see though. Just
There might be something. No. Okay.
No,
it
it
doesn't.
doesn't.
All right.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I would think
Yeah.
so. I was going to say that look kind of strange if it doesn't. Yeah. Open that up so they can see. This is nice view. So this is perfect. Have a nice cool breeze coming in. And I mean, it's a beautiful day. It's got to be what, like 70, 80, almost 80 degrees
easy.
today?
Yeah. It's nice.
February.
February in Texas, in Houston.
You gotta love it.
Gotta love
it.
How y'all doing on the East Coast with that weather?
They're freezing.
Talk to me. Midwest, how y'all feeling? That's why you need to move to Houston.
That's why you gotta move to Houston.
That's why you gotta move to Houston.
Look at this. So this is a great setup for outdoor kitchen. They don't have it out here. But I would say if you do want to do an outdoor kitchen, have that done after you build the home.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't add that. I wouldn't add that in. Yeah, and do it after you build it.
Nice size.
You can see, nice size lot. Yeah. It's huge. I mean, if you have pets, if you have children, if you want to get a pool, you want to be on a premium lot.
No
this.
problem with no pool.
Right. Yeah. So this is, you could work with this.
Yeah.
And again, this floor plan is family friendly.
Yes, absolutely.
So, and if you're looking to, upgrade because you're expanding your family, or you need a home where you can, you can grow into it, this is a good floor plan. You can grow into this floor plan. 5 bedrooms.
Absolutely, 5 bedrooms.
5,000 square feet.
Almost 5,200.
Yeah, that's a huge house.
Yeah, huge house.
What's the price point on this home?
Go to my cheat sheet.
Check it out. Let us know.
Go to my cheat sheet. Well, you can use this cheat in
So I know
school.
this
I'll tell you
model
that.
is fully upgraded.
Yeah.
What does it say? The Verona.
Verona, yes, but let's see what that. Guess this cheat sheet ain't cheating enough. Let me find out.
There should be another
Yeah.
sheet. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna find out. Let you know what the price point is on this beautiful home. Okay, and the verdict is
1.2.
1.2 million.
Yeah.
Okay.
1.2.
All right. Well, I guess before we go upstairs, we got to show them that little cool
that's
feature.
right.
Yeah.
Show you a little add a little surprise.
Okay. Yeah, you probably never seen this before. This is absolutely an upgrade. It does not come standard, but if it's a feature that you want, you can request it. So check this out. This is a prep kitchen or a kosher kitchen. I've only seen one in my lifetime. When I used to do kitchen and bath remodeling, there was a home, I believe it was located in the Woodlands, and the couple they called it a kosher kitchen, but they used it to prep for prepping. Yeah.
Definitely an upgrade. That's for sure.
This is absolutely an upgrade. But if you don't want this, you can do like a flex area. Yeah. Maybe have like a workstation, located behind the house, and then the pantry. They have another pantry located over here for the prep kitchen. Yeah. So we thought that was pretty unique. Okay, so let's complete the rest of our tour. We're going to head upstairs. I love the curved staircase.
And I love a little added little.
Yes, and the accent.
Yeah.
On the stairs. It's tile. That's different.
Yeah, very different.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
So that would be an upgrade. Okay. You got like a bookshelf.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that.
Game room, media room here. Yeah.
Nice loft space.
Yeah.
So they had this set up more like a lounge area. Yeah. Second living area.
Yeah. You have your media room. I like that.
Yeah, gotta have your media room.
Gotta have media room.
You see a lot of media rooms in homes in Texas. We do it big out here. Like the media room. Okay. Let's go check out these bedrooms.
Let's see. Oh, it's nice size. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Walk-in closet. Mm-hmm. And a bathroom.
I'll tell you that.
Is it like a Jack and Jill kind of setup?
Yeah.
So. Yeah, okay. I like that. Mm-hmm. That's some interesting backsplash. Look, it's like wavy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. And again, you're going to see a lot of blues. Blue is trending right now.
Blues clues.
Blue. Espresso. Yep. Whites. It's trending.
Decent size closet. Yeah.
Oh, let's check out the closet.
Yeah, decent size.
Walk-in. Yeah, okay. So they all have walk-in closets. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good deal. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's check out the next bedroom. I like that
right there too.
So this is the third bedroom.
Yeah.
Let's make our way to the fourth bedroom.
Okay. Yeah. Walk,
I like the cat. Let me see you walk.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Okay, so their rooms are spacious. They give you a lot of room.
Yeah, they do.
Little tiny rooms.
They're generous.
Right, and this is a
full
size bed, but you could fit a queen in here. You could fit a queen size bed in here. Mm-hmm. Okay, just the standard.
Yeah.
Full tub and shower.
Yeah, nice though.
Yeah.
So,
good deal.
So that's bedroom number 4. So it's number 5 over here.
This has to be bedroom number 5.
Oh, decent size. Decent size. So I can tell you this: all of the secondary rooms are bigger than some of the other buildings we've seen. These secondary rooms are bigger. I mean, you're getting over, 5,100 square feet. So that's to be expected.
And then it's a suite, so it has its
Yeah.
own full standard tub and shower. That's why I said they're more traditional.
Yeah.
You notice that they go with the standard full bath and shower.
Yeah.
In the homes that are more, I guess, modern, you'll see just the freestanding shower.
Absolutely.
But it's good for resale to have at least 1 or 2 bathrooms with a full tub, just in case someone has younger kids and they want to buy your home.
Yeah, indeed. 100%.
If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about relocating and moving to Houston, Texas, be sure to like and subscribe. All of our contact info is located in the description below. My name is Regina, and Damien and I have lived in Houston for more than 10 years. Time flies. But we really enjoy helping people like you relocate here to Houston. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. Send us a text, give us a call, or shoot us an email. We'd love to help make your move to Houston a smooth transition.